Okay, so before we begin this lesson, we are going to be doing simplifying fractions. We're going to totally just work on that. But before we do that, we're going to do a little review of word problems because I know you all just love word problems. So take a minute and read these problems. There are 554 students in the school, and there are 2 grade 4 classes, Ms. Brown's and Mr. Green's classes. Ms. Brown's class has 15 boys and 6 girls. Mr. Green's class has 14 girls and 10 boys. In Ms. Brown's class, 2/3 of the students wear glasses. In Mr. Green's class, 1/4 of the kids have other siblings in the school. All right, question 1. In Ms. Brown's class, just so I'll keep it straight, Ms. Brown's class, are there more students that wear glasses or do not wear glasses? So the first thing we need to do is go to Ms. Brown's class, wherever it talks about glasses and students. So let's see. Okay, Ms. Brown's class, and it talks about glasses. Ms. Brown's class, the students, there are 2/3 that wear glasses. So this doesn't tell us exactly how many students wear glasses, does it? It does not. So we somehow have to figure out how many students, either how many students wear glasses or how many students don't wear glasses or something like that. So what if you're stumped? Okay, let's just go to a pie chart, I guess. Do some kind of chart if that's what gets your mind going. So we're going to do a pie chart. You can do something different if you like. And so So 2/3 wear glasses. What can we gather from this information? These students don't wear glasses, right? A whole is when you have the top and the bottom, the numerator and the denominator the same. That would make it a whole. So the part that's missing of the 3 parts is this 1. And that's the number of students that don't wear glasses. So it was helpful for me to put this picture there this time, because I could have gone all over the world and started looking at how many students and let me calculate how many students. But we have to remember what they're asking us. They just want to know, we're comparing, are there more students wearing glasses or not wearing glasses? So we just need to know if there's more, which one has the most people. So is 2/3 bigger than 1/3, or is it the other way around? So if you look at this section is bigger than that one. So the 2/3 with glasses is going to be bigger than the 1/3 that does not wear glasses. So in this case, you can say there are more students that wear glasses than students that don't wear glasses. So you could have made that really complicated had you not just thought about the rule of 3/3 equals a whole. So that's why it's important to keep these things in mind. Let's go to the next one. What fraction of the grade 4 students are girls? Okay, so we have to look at the classes in the grade 4. We got Miss Brown, no, excuse me, yeah, Miss Brown and Mr. Green. So I'm going to put Brown here and Green here, because they're grade 4, but we also want to know the fraction of girls. Okay? So how many girls are in Miss Brown's class? Miss Brown's class has 6 girls. So I'm going to put 6. Okay, Mr. Green's class, how many girls? Mr. Green's class has 14 girls. Okay, so at least now in grade 4, we know how many students are in each class. And I'm just going to add them together. And that is 20 girls in grade 4. Okay, now that we know that 20 is the number of girls in the 4th grade, let's put in grade 4. Yes, I know that's not fully grade, but just leave it as is. How do we make this into a fraction? So we first have to get a denominator, and that's going to be the number of students in the 4th grade. And so over here on this side, we're going to do the total number of students in grade 4. So in Miss Brown's class, I'm just going to put a B for Brown. We have 15 boys and 6 girls. Let's go ahead and add that up. 5 plus 6 is 11. Put the 1 down there and add the 1 up top. That's 21 students. Mr. Green's class has 14 girls and 10 boys. Add it up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. So now we have to add those together. I'm going to put B plus G. So 21 plus 24 equals 1 plus 4 is 5, and 4 plus 4 is 2 plus 2 is 4, excuse me. And so now that is the total number of students in the 4th grade. So now that we know that, the students in all in the 4th grade is going to be 45. And then we're going to take the number of girls in the 4th grade, because that's what we need to know, the fraction for the number of girls in the 4th grade. Is going to be 20. And so our answer is 20 over 45. Last question. There are 1 over 35 of the students allergic to seafood. And there are 1 over 15 of the students in the school that are allergic to peanuts. Are there more students allergic to seafood or peanuts? So we need to know which one is more. Students allergic to seafood or peanuts? All right. Since I circled some stuff, I'm just gonna, we're at the bottom, I wanna make it look different from the rest. So there's 1/35 of the students are allergic to seafood. We're comparing seafood and peanut allergy. And 1/15 that are allergic to peanuts. All right, so now we have to figure out are there more students allergic to seafood or peanuts? That is the question. So what is our rule about the denominator? Is it that the bigger number is what is greater, gives it the greater amount? I don't think so. Don't let that get you confused. You thinking bigger number, oh, that's bigger. No. Remember, we're thinking you have a pizza. Would you rather your pizza be cut into 35 slices or 15 if you're hungry and you don't get all of the pieces, okay? So would you rather have a piece of the one that's cut into 35 slices or a piece of the one that's cut into 15 slices? I'm going to go with the smaller number in the denominator because I get a bigger slice of pizza, okay? And if that is still a problem for you visualizing that, draw a pizza and look at it, okay? Look at those slices and what sizes they look like, okay? So in this case, our biggest fraction is going to be 1/15. So that tells us there are more students that are allergic to peanuts than students allergic to seafood. Now, if this tripped you up a little bit, keep practicing these type problems and you'll get better, okay?